Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce noise in Audacity step by step. If your recording has background noise such as a fan, air conditioner, computer hum, or outdoor sounds, this method will help make your audio much cleaner. First, open Audacity and import your audio file by clicking File and then Open. Once the file is loaded, find a short section where only the background noise is present and your voice is not speaking. Select that section with your mouse. Next, go to the Effect menu, choose Noise Removal and Repair, and then click Noise Reduction. In the Noise Reduction window, click Get Noise Profile. This allows Audacity to identify the unwanted background noise. Now press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire audio track. Go back to the Effect menu and open Noise Reduction again. For most voice recordings, set noise reduction to 12 decibels, sensitivity to 6, and frequency smoothing to 3 bands. Click Preview to hear the result before applying the effect. Everyone, and welcome
if it sounds
back to the
clear
channel.
in this,
Natural.
hello
Click
everyone,
OK.
and welcome back.
Audacity will process the audio, and after a few seconds, the background noise should be significantly reduced. Play the recording and compare the before and after sound quality. Keep in mind that using very high noise reduction settings can make your voice sound robotic or unnatural. Moderate settings usually provide the best balance between noise reduction and voice quality. Finally, export your cleaned audio by clicking File, then Export Audio, and save it as an MP3 or WAV file. That's how you reduce noise in Audacity quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.